10 years ago about breast milk donation in Muslim population, why it is possible. Mothers should be encouraged to breastfeed their preterm baby. In some cases, mothers are not able to produce enough milk or have contraindication or just don't want to initiate or prolongate breastfeeding. And in this several situations, preterm baby are fed with anonymous donation human milk. Some mothers are reluctant. For example, the Muslim community fear the idea of milk brother, meaning that baby are being fed from the same breast. This is a case report. It was also a long time ago, 10 years ago. A preterm delivery baby of 26 weeks of 500 grams. At decade, the mother should be able to collect 200 milliliters per day. At D7, 500 milliliters, and after 1.5 liter per day. So good promotion of milk production. And in total, 170 liters of milk were collected and unused by her baby, because the baby starts at 12 times 2 milliliters, then 12 times 4 milliliters, and the milk bank medical staff asked the mother if she wanted to donate her extra milk, and she refused to do so because of the milk brother. Idea, but was unable to store. She was unable to store at home, and after discussion, she was agreed to give this milk to the bank. But last week, 30 liters probably have been put in the garbage by mother, because her husband doesn't want to pursue a recommendation. So in order to answer this question, can I donate my own milk and my baby can receive milk from anonymous donor, even though we are both Muslim? We have made a literature review on the religious view of human milk bank. We interviewed 10 years ago different Muslim reference, and we based our discussion on biologic and genetic data. What say the different books about that? A Muslim theologian, I don't can pronounce the name, mentioned that the baby drinks the milk from a bottle, pumped from the breast or poured in the mouth. The siblingship bond is not created and marriage is not forbidden. It's the traduction of the part of the Quran. Saad and Dayoud agree with this opinion. Human milk donation is tolerated as long as the milk is coming to the baby by another means than sucking. And we interviewed 10 years ago the rector of the Mosquée de Paris in Paris. He confirmed us that human milk donation is an act of charity. And I write a paper, and this paper was put in the Milk Bank Association French to be used by the different milk bank. So during the human milk processing, the milk of several mothers is sometimes poor, is mixed and pasteurized. Milk is fortified by iodine, vitamin, iron, protein by the biberonate, and refrozen and packed. So here you can see the different steps: thawing, batching, pre- and post-pasteurological sample bacteriologic exam, bottles of 200 milliliter, traceability, pasteurization, quarantine, issue or destruction or distribution. So what the biological data could help us to promote this donation microRNA are short and non-coding RNA, as I explained in my last slide, that are involved in regulation of gene expression and can be found in bloodstream. A Turkish group has reasoned that microRNA found in human milk is an argument for not opening human milk banks. They say that there is microRNA, so we couldn't opening banks. However, 2 studies have argued that microRNA transmitted through human milk are destroyed in the gastrointestinal tract. Moreover, other studies have shown that microRNA, subjected to the harsh condition, are stable and resistant to several freeze cycles. However, Kishu have shown that exogenous microRNA is more rapidly degraded by high temperature than endogenous microRNA, and older pasteurization during donor milk processing could be the same damage. These 2 arguments support that microRNA found in human milk cannot be directly responsible for epigenetic or genetic change of offspring. Milk banks should be created in Muslim countries in order to help preterm infants. There will be no milk shipping between individuals receiving milk from the same donor, and no siblingship between donor and the baby. The low rate of breastfeeding at 6 months in Muslim countries, you can see here, it's no better than in France, indicate a real need to develop milk bank in this country. As a reminder, human milk bank donation is anonymous, and milk banks are not authorized to keep the donor identity, nor to take into account the sex of the receiving child. Ireland proposed a new approach to milk bank, named the Conditional Identified Milk Bank System. In this new system, both the donors and recipients' identities are accessible to all parties through a voluntary register, and the milk pooling is limited to 3 milk donors. So, in conclusion, human milk bank remain vital for providing ADHM to preterm or ill infant, for whom there is maternal and postnatal barrier to the mother's own milk. The main goal is the optimal nutrition of every preterm baby. The pooling of the result, religious, cultural, biological, epigenetic elements allow us to conclude that ADHM can be given to preterm baby. A Muslim baby could receive human milk. Women can donate whole milk with fearing the milk brother concept, and also it must not stop human milk banks created in Muslim country as long as it meets public health need. And I publish that in a not references PubMed review, but we can read it on online. So milk donation, speak about it, when women milk is vital. Okay, I finish.
Thank you very much.
So,
we'll move on to the next presentation, and then the question will be asked, right?